Is this thing on? Mic check. 1, 2. Yes, it is. Emily's first, and Levi and Angelo, welcome. Welcome, everybody. So move up and down. I don't want to do that. Brightness. Brightness seems okay. No. All right. Welcome to Uncharted. I was gonna say Uncharted 4. Well, kind of in a way, but it's the Lost Legacy. I've had this game for over a week, and now I just took it out of the shrink wrap just now. I don't have time to play anymore. No, I didn't have time. I still have time, but yeah, I'm back now. I was very busy last week. Plus, I was away and all that. Sarania's here. Hello, welcome. Nice to see you. And yeah, I'm gonna give this a go. I love Uncharted, so this is the only game I haven't played yet. And we're gonna go. Chloe's waifu. I know, Jack, right? No, I think the girls had their chance now with Nathan Drake. Alright, now it's time for a treat for the boys. What do you think? Huh? I love her accent. Her accent is fantastic. Alright, let's go. Before I start melting. New game. Explore, light, moderates. The story. I'm just gonna go for moderate. Lock on aim. I don't know, should I? Why not? Camera assist. I don't know what this is. Automatically aligns the camera to the direction of their movement, designed for players who are new to the action. I don't think I'll need it. Vehicle camera assist. Immediately aligns the camera to the direction of the movement while driving, designed for players who are new to the driving games and have difficulty using left stick. I don't have difficulties. Come on. I will be shutting up during cutscenes, guys. I promise. I'll try my best. New save game data. Let me get my laptop closer to my face. There we go. Sorry about that. New game data. Saving. Probably has to create a save file and patch stuff up because it's the first time running. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I forgot to pause the stream. I'll be quiet in the meantime. Yeah, enjoy the cutscene.
That one is my favorite. It makes your eyes doing good.
Does it now?
Half price if you buy two.
Wow.
Sorry, I want the frickin'. Where are they? It's not accessibility, is it? I'm looking for subtitles. There they are. I'm sorry, I like my movies with subtitles. So let's go again. Sorry about that. Replay? Well, whatever. No, it's fine.
You again? Is this your store?
No, my father's.
How much?
800 rupees, please.
800 rupees.
Okay, for you, 550.
Incredible. So, does your father usually leave you here alone?
No, he's away fighting the devils.
Oh. The Indian army called him up, did they?
No, he volunteered.
Really? Well, it was my choice, I wouldn't leave you here alone. All right. That's 300.
Better deal. 400 rupees plus Ganesh.
You don't want this. It's broken. See?
You don't know the story? Ganesh fought Parashuram while standing guard at his father's door.
Yes, to defend the honor of his father, Shiva, and got his tusk hacked off for his troubles.
Interesting.
Anyway, it's not for sale. Right on time. Okay, look. 600 rupees. You can keep the change.
Hey, wait! Hey! You need the guy.
Oh? And what'll that cost me?
Look at me, I'm controlling her. That's it. The game is, let's push these guys around. I want to go through here. Alright, fair enough. The game looks gorgeous. I can never get over how beautiful the game looks. Whenever it's a Naughty Dog game.
Need to be on that truck before it goes.
So, you're Ganesh. How much for it?
Not for sale.
Interesting, okay. Okay. Where'd you go? I love her dress.
Excuse me.
What?
Don't get me wrong. Decent technique on the lift. But I'd like my Ganesh back. Please.
Fine.
A for effort, kid.
You found the treasure. No, you got it back. Hey, Toby! Toby's in the house. Welcome to the party. I was just saying what a beautiful dress she's wearing. I love it. I would totally date her.
People aren't allowed across the bridge. It's too dangerous.
Listen, kid. It's been really fun. You need to make yourself scarce.
I have a spare bed in the store. 300 rupees. Best deal in all of India.
Okay, no thanks. I need to get on this truck.
Bad idea. They're rebels. They hurt people.
Listen. I need to help my friend, okay? Tell you what. When I get back, pizza's on me. Deal?
Deal.
Okay. Shit. Damn it.
Sir,
Wait.
sir, please.
God.
My dad, we were eating ice cream. I can't find him. I can't get home without him.
It's okay, it's okay. What happened?
He was standing over there. Wait, there he is. There he is.
That was awesome. Jack. I don't know. I've never been on one, so I can't really tell. It looks so gorgeous. The game. Wow. Naughty Dog never fails to impress. Is the audio quality okay? Can you hear the game? And me.
Those poor
I love her
bastards.
accent. Oh, this is the demo that we saw ages ago.
Okay. Red door. That's it. Better than nothing. Here we go. It's just an active war zone. Nothing you can't handle.
Nothing in the cooler. There's a bike. Nothing works as buttons, just directions. I can only move forward, I can't run, nothing. I can't punch, I can't kick, I can't
Get out
climb,
while you can.
nothing.
Move, let's go! He's in here! What are you doing? Let's go, out! Move it! Now!
I've done nothing wrong!
Damn spies. What? No! Shut up!
Bullies.
Go on! Move it!
Got the wrong man! I swear to
Look at the Indians, they have beautiful dresses, the ladies.
I don't have a choice.
Yes, sir. You.
I have no idea what's going on though, huh? What are these guys doing here?
Hey, hold on. What's your rush?
Hey Timothy.
How do I know you're not smuggling something in here? Arms up.
Hey.
It's dangerous to be out so late.
Hey! Where do you live? What are you, deaf?
Answer him!
I said, where do you live?
Arabtason.
I'm in the middle of something.
It can wait.
Yes, sir.
Meet me inside.
Understood. You, with me. Man the gun.
Sir, what about her?
Just let her through.
You heard him. Get going.
Jack says my money's in civil war. I'm starting to think so too. Unless...
Lucky for them, I've got
Yeah,
somewhere
maybe
to
civil
be.
war. Unless it's all about treasure hunting and they're looking for something. I don't know. Red door. How do I get there?
Red door. Check. Not this way.
Way too many checkpoints and soldiers for that. I already love this game. I already love this game. I haven't played anything yet, and it's so awesome. I'm looking around just in case there's a treasure or something that I missed, because chances are I won't be playing this again for a while after I finish this. Don't get me wrong, I don't sell my games. I still plan on playing them for a second time, like Uncharted 4. I haven't played it again since. But I know sooner or later I'm gonna feel like playing it again. That's how I am. Is she sprinting now? Kind of. It's not sprinting.
Don't smoke.
You're useless.
I can't sell.
Now we can take cover. Are we gonna take him down? I want to take him out as well. This is so awesome.
And that's that.
I think I had to go through here though. My neighbor decides to start hammering when I start to stream, always.
Come along, friend.
Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. What just happened? What's with this box? Now I can punch. Whoa. Yeah, I figured it's bombing. Can I make it? So what do I do here? Slowly rotate.
Okay.
Awesome concept of unlocking.
Oh shit. Great timing.
Much better than Resident Evil Revelations 2. Hey, Jazz! I haven't played the game yet, but it's nice that you stopped by. Thank you so much. No problem, I don't want to spoil the game for you. Shh, quiet, cutscene.
Pink lotus. The hell does that mean?
Give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Okay, let's go.
Didn't see it coming. Long enough. It was us that was shifting down small systems all over India. Join the real fight. This place is a shithole. True. But it was a strategic stronghold. You've done good, brother.
Wait, why do I have an option? Hold on a sec. Why do I have an option to come up here for nothing? Doesn't make sense. Oh, nice.
Tired of these small operations. When do we take the fight to the tyrants?
Asar says he needs more time to prepare. He won't think that for much longer.
Oh, time to stealth attack. Oh no, both of them, seriously? No, 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 no.
Been here for weeks.
Maybe up, maybe up, maybe up.
Not that you can pick this place. Every piece has us. We must
Yeah, Civil War. Jack was right. You see, Jack doesn't know only guns, he knows politics. So this is the roof. Hey, Juan, welcome!
Indian Army's not messing around.
I'm not wearing pants, Juan. Since you asked. Alright. I don't know what's the point of washing this laundry. They're torn up. Look at all the holes. What's the point of washing these and hanging them? Anyway. Hey, Danica! I know a Warzone when I see one, Vloggy. How are you, Danica? You changed your picture. I'm playing an awesome game, Dan.
Pink Lotus. Not what I was picturing.
When you get your PS3, you're gonna have to get the Uncharted series. Definitely. Definitely. Or you're no longer my sister.
At least 2 targets. One was the warehouse, the other... You're in the wrong place, girl. What the
Here we go. Booyah! There we go, Nadine.
You're late, Fraser. I see you too.
Holy shit! They took out the first squad! Stop them!
Nice. Hey, Midna.
I thought you were...
Oh, you started school already. That's okay, no problem. I understand. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate that.
Relax. It took me weeks to track down
Hey,
Source.
not everyone can afford
The
whole
man's
less
as
laundry.
unpredictable as they come. It's just another warmonger with no water fight. No, you don't know him like I do. He changes location and routines by the hour. We'd be foolish to take unnecessary risks. Let's get one thing straight. This is my gig. You want your share? We play by my rules. What's it gonna be?
He's the one with the beard.
That's the spirit. Handsome.
If you're into psychopaths.
Nobody's perfect. Where's base camp?
Top floor, balcony.
All right. Let's do this.
Had a street route all planned out.
So awesome.
They'll be looking for us.
Infiltration.
What do you suggest?
I'll think of something. Come on. I'll give you a boost up. There you go.
Come on.
Thank you.
Yeah, it feels like it feels very The Last of Us-ish, but that means
Follow me.
it's by the same creators, basically.
There. That wasn't so bad.
Now what?
Patience. Up here.
Really?
Really?
careful on this one. You sure this is safe? No.
Spider girls, spider girls. Everybody seems to have whole laundry here.
Come on. This way. You realize we're moving away from...
It's true, Jack. Yeah, that's right. It's nice to see Nadine, the bad guy from the other game, following Chloe's rules now. I think we're gonna have to climb up now. There we go. Full of calluses. I know, right? On the contrary, mine are like a baby's hands.
Just one more hour.
I'll take him out. No.
Cobra 1 to Cobra 5, over.
Received, Cobra 1.
Get to the enclosure. We have activity, over.
Copy that, Cobra 1. Shit.
Dada! Where have I been? I was busy last week. Nice to see you, buddy. I was busy last week and then I was away. If you see my vlog. And I just got back and now I'm getting back to the gaming world. Oh, hello.
Anything we can climb on?
Okay.
Is that it? Looks like it.
That's where we need to be. But not getting through here without a blowtorch. So, now we improvise.
I thought that's what we were doing already.
I got an idea. Hold on. Get out of my way. Alright, no. Up.
Where are you off to? Just exploring our options. Sit tight.
I think she learned from the best, huh?
Well, she certainly lives up to her reputation.
There we go, I knew it. Come on, push it! Come on! Oh, there's a... okay. No, I should be able to push it. Well, whatever. Let's go this way. I can't drive. Ugh.
Trying to kill me?
Okay. Do I just jump down?
Sorry about that. How about we avoid crates from now on?
Okay, good deal.
Up ahead. Shit.
We're going to laugh when you see Chloe's relationship with Nate's family, according to a friend of mine who has the game. Okay, don't spoil it though.
There's some cheap office supplies if you want them.
You're always this talkative on the job.
Yeah.
Wasn't there a soldier here somewhere? Where do I have to go now? Ah, whatever. Oh, okay, there's the soldier. 1, 2.
Watch it. Above you.
I have a great time. One less problem.
It's just above us.
See, that wasn't so bad. It wasn't.
I guess he didn't. I guess he did not. Oh, look, she made it quick faster than me. Quicker, faster. I don't even know what I'm saying.
Take a moment.
Time to unlock.
There's one. Oh, that works.
Let's find that
Ah,
desk.
GG.
Thank you very much. Watch our backs, yeah?
Yeah. Christ. It's like walking through an antique shop.
He's been a busy
Time
boy.
to collect some treasure.
How much do you think it's all worth?
Enough to keep his little insurrection going for quite some time.
Hmm. Oh, look at this. Nice.
Oh, horrible. Lots of curious cats here.
Speaking of,
Good point.
it doesn't bother you. These are all Indian artifacts.
It's not my fight. Destroyer and transformer. No one will miss this.
Any luck?
Not yet. You?
No.
I'll just borrow this.
Fraser,
Mm-hmm.
come here.
That looks promising.
It's locked.
Not for long.
Where's that map?
Western Ghats, Hoysala territory.
Shit.
No, it's all right. Nothing we didn't already know.
I love this locking mechanism thing. Unlocking mechanism. How long do I think I'll be streaming? Probably 3 hours, so 3.5 mostly.
It's beautiful. Shit, time to go.
Nadine Ross. What a pleasant surprise. Careful, brothers. This tiger's got claws.
So,
Oh, all these years. And you haven't aged a day.
you're too kind.
Are you looking for work? I hear that Shoreline's under new management.
Temporary setback. Nothing I can't handle.
Of course, of course. Pidgey, though. My men and I could use someone of your caliber. Why are you here?
Okay, Juan, take your time, no problem.
I mean, this isn't your area of expertise.
It is a nice collection, I must say. Chloe Fraser, collector of antiquities.
A thief? You're working for a thief.
Sir, we have a situation.
What?
I'll be right there. The disc.
Oh, right, about that. At first, I mistook you for just an average rebel. But you have managed to find the Hoysala Empire. It's not bad. Their greatest treasure, the Tusk of Ganesh. Now that's not an easy find.
What are you doing?
3 Persian invasions, 3 separate wars, and all these years later, no one has found it.
We're close.
You're lost. And the only chance you have of even narrowing down its location is to find someone who can help you crack this artifact.
Someone with an extensive knowledge of Hoysala society.
Exactly.
An expert in their culture and history.
My rates are reasonable.
A parasite who exploits our struggle in order to fatten her pockets.
So that's a no? Felt like a no.
You've got balls. I like that. But I don't need any more so-called experts. Shoot them. Throw their bodies in the river.
No need. We'll throw ourselves out.
After them!
Through the window! Now you're talking! Oh, shit! Come on! We need to get across the river!
Whoa. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I don't even know where we're going. I'm just running.
It's this way! Bloody hell! In here! Quick! What the hell was that back there?
Messy but effective.
You were going to sell me out, weren't you?
It's called improvisation. God, who's being unprofessional now?
What the hell is that supposed to mean?
It means you let Asav get the jump on us. I'm starting to wonder whether you're worth the 50%.
I knew it. You were going to give me up. Guess a leopard can't change his spots.
You know nothing about me.
Fair warning. Last person who betrayed me wound up dead. There's your river.
Yeah? And your guy better be there.
Shit!
Yeah, well, time to go!
Come on! Right behind you! So, this is dangerous! Oh no! Got you! Thanks! Come on!
You still have the disc?
Yeah. Keep moving. Watch out! Oh, for the love of God!
Don't make this harder.
Shit!
It's over.
Nadine, give me a hand.
Last door!
Let's go.
Bloody! Let's go!
Stop them in their tracks.
Whoa! Whoa! Okay, I'm okay.
They're going to the river. Watch, finish.
Oops. My first fade. No. I thought it was gonna be fade.
Good stop! Keep moving! This is going great. At least it's not pouring rain.
Okay, whoa. No! My first fade. I don't need to jump like that. Yeah, I was gonna say that actually, Jack. Yeah, I was gonna say the exact same thing. Like the person who betrayed her died.
Follow me.
Well, actually, no thanks to her though.
River's just below. Slide down the lights.
That's what I was supposed to do.
Here we go.
How are we going out there?
On schedule. Should hit land in about an hour.
Great.
The tusk of Ganesh. No wonder the Hoysala capital was ransacked. Look at this thing. Any luck?
I don't need luck.
I'd say we can use all the luck we can get.
Are you still hung up on Asav's so-called expert? Don't worry.
If Asav's not in the Gets already, he'll be right on our heels. Plus, he's got weapons, transports, hundreds of men.
Like I said, don't worry.
Looks like some kind of key.
Maybe. Let's see. Okay. The trident was Ganesh's weapon. The bow and arrow was Parashurama's. And The axe was a gift from Shiva. The Great Battle.
What?
The battle in which Ganesh lost his tusk. I bet we find these symbols. We find the tusk.
Not bad, Fraser.
Yeah, well. You thank my dad for that. Hindu myths were his thing.
It rubbed off. You must be proud.
Sun's almost up.
I'll go get ready. Nice work.
Okay. Nearly there. It is a long way to go to settle an argument.
Just for my peace of mind, all right?
Well, nice view. And look. How weird. I'm sorry I doubted you, Chloe.
This Hoysala?
Hoysala. It's not a modern structure, so we're definitely on the right track. What?
I don't like it.
You don't like anything.
No. We've gone nearly 100 kilometers with no sign of a Sov.
Glass half full, maybe we got the jump on them.
Unlikely.
I'll find the tusk. A salve's on you.
Understood. Meet you back at the car.
Yep.
Yeah, I agree, Jack. She's more of a mercenary, kind of, to find the vehicle. Okay.
Ah, right where I left it.
Alright, she's like a mercenary, more or less.
Amazing landscape.
Soldier. Nadine's more of a soldier, I mean. Chloe's more of a treasure hunter. More of a Nate. Uh-oh.
My tree bridge fell. Can you make it across? Working on it. I'm fine, by the way.
What the heck was that? There we go. Sliding backwards, and then she died. She ripped. So I can go down there.
Okay.
Alright, I got this.
Still down there? Yep. Still here. Great. Just checking. Here, give me your hand. I'm good, actually. Okay. Want me to drive?
Nope.
I don't mind.
I do. It's a control thing.
Sure.
Sorry, I like to do a
Let's
little
just
burnout.
enjoy the serenity, shall we?
Got a dumb question.
So much for that.
How do you know the tusk is still there?
It would have turned up in a museum or something by now, right? Plus, I haven't seen any Hoysala exhibitions.
I've never even heard of the Hoysala before this job.
Yeah, well, that's the fault of their
I
last
got the stream.
king, really. Young, reckless, flaunted his empire's wealth, built a new capital for House of Persia, and then led the Persians right to their doorstep.
And now?
And now, us. Hey, look! Flamingo convention.
I'm sorry, I have to. No, I need to do this. I need to do this, sorry. I'm driving, I have to do this.
See your way forward? Looking.
I have to do that.
Refreshing. Could have warned me. Oh, where's the fun in that? So, quite nice to be outdoors, isn't it? Away from the city.
Quieter. You come back here often?
No, not really.
Oil up ahead. Slow down.
Oh, look at this. Hoysala ruins.
Can we get through that gate?
I'll check it out. The old capitals.
What have we got?
Halabadu and Balur.
I thought these were Ganesh and Shiva.
Someone's been paying attention. Ganesh was the guardian of Halabadu, the newer of the Hoysala capitals. Shiva was the guardian of the former capital, Balur.
Well, the stonework is beautiful. But this isn't much of a defensive wall.
Sculptor's quarters, by the look of it. We're still on the outskirts.
Didn't take you for an archaeologist.
That would be my dad, actually. I'm just a thief, remember? Hey, is the rental equipped with a winch?
Looks that way.
Great. That'll make short work of these gates.
What, you're just going to pull them down?
That's the plan, unless you brought dynamite.
This is your gig.
Take that as a no.
Why, Jack? Because of her one-liners?
Right. That should do the trick.
Fraser, move! It's an ambush! Shit! Take cover!
Thanks for the heads up.
Let's see if she can handle them on her own. Oh, I have a gun! Oh, she got this.
Okay, we're clear.
Let's try again. Oh, you're waiting for me? Oh, wow, I thought you were gonna do it.
Right. Where were we?
You were about to pull down an ancient gate.
Yeah, I was. And there we go.
The humor. Yeah, I like her attitude. I think she has more attitude than Nate. when they confronted Asav or Asav, whatever his name is.
You're awfully quiet. I'm just surprised is all. Figured you'd be more of a leave no trace type when it comes to Indian runes. Sentimentality in this line of work? Get you killed.
Oh no, didn't. I'm such a good driver. Hey, cheer, hello! Well, they're both English. I'm not so sure actually if I like Lara more than Chloe. Chloe has more attitude, I think. I have a thing for girls with attitude.
Give me a second. I can wait.
Nate risks his life for you in Uncharted 2, Chloe. It's true. It's true. I want to play all these games one of these days, like in a row, all of them. I will. Just when I feel like it, though. I don't want to force it. That's why I don't like selling my games. I never sell my games. I know that I'm going to feel like playing them again sooner or later, so... I have all my Uncharted games. I hate those people who buy a game, finish it once, and then they just sell it off. Come on, man.
What? They're just large flying rodents. Actually, no, they're not. Yeah, they are. They're closer to primates and lemurs. Okay, well, I'll look it up.
I don't think we're gonna do this, though. It's very muddy.
Go, 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 go!
Yeah, I figured. That's okay.
I'll be right back. You got it?
Why is she doing that? No. Ah, she won't get out.
Sit tight. Sure, go
Well,
ahead.
let me use the winch, though. I don't know why. Oh.
Come on, come on. I've got someplace to be. There we go.
Well, I thought I was gonna use the winch to climb up with the... Never mind.
Made it. Stop. Assault. Well spotted. Shit. He's brought a whole battalion with him. Might even be more inside already.
Hey, I'm flattered that he's taking us so seriously.
We need to get through that gate.
All right, we'll slow down. Gotta take care of these jokers first.
You have a plan?
Yeah. Sure.
I love her attitude. I want to run over that guy. Now! Now! I want to run him over.
Okay, not one for cemetery, are you? Not really.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's it, we're going.
Was this really your plan? Sort of. You don't like it?
I'll take that. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Reinforcements inbound! Damn it!
Where's Chloe? No, I'm Chloe. Where's Nadine? Oh, there's a gap there.
No way out of this! Get them out!
Whoa, whoa. Oh, I got... I ripped. I thought I could hide in the grass. Apparently I can't. But I'm gonna run them over again. I don't care. I'm gonna run them over and come back here.
Any word from Cobra 1?
Okay, you're not one for subtlety, are you? Not really. Was this really your plan? Sort of. You don't like it?
I have found them!
Son of a... Oh, for Pete's sake.
What? Really?
Check that area! You try over there. I have this area. Not hide from me. Put them down.
Oh, there is a berry button over there. It's true. Whoa, 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 whoa.
By the wall!
Sniper! Reinforcements inbound!
Finish! Damn it!
Oh, come on. Uh-oh. Oh, there they are. Alright, if I can sneak up on them. There's Barry. There's one guy over there.
Shit! Lost them! Alright, we got them!
Razor, get down!
Come on, we need more berries. Where are they? The music hasn't stopped yet, so I'm assuming there's more. What's in here? Oh, nothing. There he is. There's Mr. Barry.
I have it!
We're clear. Just like I planned. Yeah, let's get going. I'll get the gate open. Bring the car round? Sure. Thank you. This looks to be it.
Open sesame.
Okay, bring her up.
How are you doing, Mr. Chair? I'm not sure if I asked already. Sorry. I'm very distracted with the game. This game is gorgeous.
Careful. Always.
Of that pool? No, I don't think so.
Right. Back to shotgun. I'm perfectly capable of driving, you know. I'm sure you are, honey.
I'm sure you are, honey. Ah, Chloe. No.
It's a lot of ground to cover. True, but unlike your boy Asav, we've got an advantage. The 3 symbols. Let's have a look at the map. Okay, let's see. We are right about here. I can mark it up as we go.
So we're over there. Ah, swipe photos. That's it.
Check out that tower. Bet you could get the lay of the land from up top. Maybe. Okay. I'll keep an eye out for Asav. Perfect. Not that I'm too worried about him, though. You should be. We won't have the advantage of surprise again. Don't think he was expecting much from you. Wait, was that a compliment? That sounded like a compliment. His guys are idiots, but Asav is... Oh, hold on. Fraser, we've got company up ahead. Well, here goes nothing.
I say we blow the wall open. See what's inside for ourselves. The top experts demanded that the site be unspoiled.
Always telling us what we should and shouldn't do. I am tired of picking through the scraps.
Justice requires patience, brother. Has the boss checked in yet?
He will get here when he gets here. There are many sites to cover.
I'm excited, that's all. The statue is a
There's way too many of them. Take them out.
Do you think it's very valuable?
I hope so, for our sake.
Ah, he's gonna sit there?
Too close.
Ah, man, one more. Oh, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Phew. Ah, whatever. Deathpool time.
What the? Here they are!
What the?
They were going over there!
Who's throwing these bombs?
Enough of this!
All right. In the clear.
Let's have a look around.
I want to throw a propane tank. Now I know. Hey, Karen, hello. What is this? Oh, hello. One. Two. Three. Oh, look at that. Is that it? Okay. Yeah, come chill with us. Alright, so. Oh, casual treasure hunter. So where do we go from here? Do we just keep going? Do we need the car? What is this? Ah.
That wall looks fragile.
Okay.
Don't recognize this. It's not one of the 3 symbols.
We should stay focused.
Never say no to a chance to make some extra cash. Up in there. Interesting. Some kind of Hoysala token. It's not one of our 3 symbols. Might be worth trading once we get back home.
Hope that was productive.
Just a token of some kind. Old Hoysala thingy.
Think we need it?
Need? Probably not. Want? Definitely.
Instead of taking for granted, token for granted. Token for granted.
All right. And we were talking about...
We were talking about Asav.
Oh, right. His guards may be idiots, but Asav is... We just need to stay the hell away from him.
Never understood the appeal of people like Asav.
Easy. He finds men who are weak and offers them power. Gives them purpose.
Purpose. Sounds more like bullshit to me. How'd you get tangled up with Asav anyway? Purpose?
Rather not go into it.
He certainly seemed to have a thing for you.
Don't remind me. Proved useful at the time, but... Yeah.
Do tell.
Girl talk.
Rather not.
Maybe over drinks?
Not enough alcohol in the world.
Girl talk.
Right, you're the military expert. What's Asav's strategy here?
He spread out his men, hoping to stop us in our tracks. Not what I would do.
So what would you do if you were Asav?
Besides lose the beard, hang back, let you do the heavy lifting, then swoop in and grab up the tusk once you've done all the hard work.
Sorry, I need a moment.
The game is so gorgeous. What's all this anyway? Let's try to get into the tower.
Up and away.
I'm kind of lost. Oh, alright.
Easy does it. So far, so good.
That's something I like to say, so far so good. She stole my one line. Vloggy's doing great. Lost in the wilderness. I really liked being outside in real life, in the real world this weekend. And I plan on adventuring a bit more in real life now that I have a GoPro, so I can actually capture a bunch of stuff for my vlogs. Come on. Oh, there we go. So I am. No, 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 no. No, come on, man. I made it so far. Oh, okay. Nice checkpoint. Yeah, I need to make the most of, you know, while we have great weather.
Uh-huh.
Ganesh's trident. Let's see here. Aimed right at those Hoysala ruins. It's an old fortress, just beyond those waterfalls. Trident mark on the map for you. And behind door number 2. Huh. Wonder what that could be. For future reference. Let's see what's behind the axe door. Another old fortress, tucked into the mountainside. I'll just mark that on the map with an axe.
That's it. No more. Oh, one more.
Last but not least, the bow door. And another old fortress, sitting smack dab in the middle of the lake bed. I'll jot a bow on the map in that spot.
Alright, so... yeah. Ooh, an elevator.
Whoa! Guess I should have looked for a call button before climbing up.
And the theme song. Da, 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 da. Alright, so... out. So now I have the map and I updated the map. So... okay. Da, da, da. Didn't you say she marked them with an axe? Do you dare? I wouldn't. Okay, so she said she marked them with an axe and a bow. Oh yeah, I see them in the little torches and stuff. Alright, so yeah, this is an open world more or less, so I need to start looking for those 3 fortresses thingies over there.
Well, was it worth the climb?
And then some. Found the 3 symbols.
Really?
Yep.
So press
Each
for
one's
the map,
pointing towards a different
and we're
fortress.
gonna head straight up.
Those would be the
Okay,
best
good.
places
Straight
to
up,
look.
straight up, straight up.
Perfect.
Let's go. What, really? Can't go up here.
Right, you're the military expert. What's Asav's strategy here? He spread out his men, hoping to stop us in our tracks. Not what I would do.
So what would you do if you were Asav?
Besides lose the beard, hang back, let you do the heavy lifting, then swoop in and grab up the tusk once you've done all the hard work.
Devious?
Practical.
Ah, there you go. You
Mitigates a lot
lost.
of
You see?
risks.
You see?
Lucky
You don't
you're
dare.
on my team. Yeah, you are. I'm a little surprised Asav's not doing the same thing. Maybe his expert knows more than we think.
Right. All the more reason to wrap this up quickly then.
I don't think I'm gonna wrap this up quickly though. Alright, I need to turn slightly this way. Oh, there it is. I see it. Alright, I see it. Let's go. I have to visit the 3 towers for sure. Or fortresses or whatever. Wait.
Over there, in that cliff wall.
There's something here though.
Coming.
Copy that.
I'm gonna check it real quick.
What is this place?
You got me.
Monkeys!
Well, will you look at that?
Monkeys.
You seem excited.
I like monkeys.
Looks like there's something in the structure there.
Yeah, monkeys.
Besides monkeys.
I don't think I can make that jump.
What have we here? Let's see. Is it just me, or does that look like a map?
Looks like our map.
I'll just jot that down. There's a slot. Just the right size for a token. Let's give it a whirl.
I'm doing it for the monkeys.
It filled one of the spots on the map.
Yeah. Wonder what happens if we find them all.
Ah, I see what this is. Okay.
Another crest of a Hoysala king. Someone went to a lot of trouble to hide this.
Yeah, so the door will open if I get all of them.
This going to help
Feels
us
like
get
it's
the
a side
task.
mission though.
Don't think so, but...
Extra cash. Right.
Right. Come on, let's get back to it.
Hey, no hitchhikers. Shoot.
Oh, you're no fun.
What, you want them shitting all over the seat?
This is so much better than Resident Evil Revelations 2.
Looks safe.
Smells safe. Let's go.
Trying to figure out how to get to that tower we saw earlier. I don't know where it is now. Or a fortress, whatever it may be. There it is. How do I get up there? I don't know. Why is that I cannot see the tower anymore?
Hang on.
Go on then.
It's right in front of my face, okay. Flying numbers. Good one.
Time to go. Look there. One of Asav's trucks. Looks clear out here.
Did I just find a treasure?
Wait here. Sure, yeah. All right.
How do I get up there?
Let's go.
And this is just the first tower. I need to find 3. Let's try again. This is as far as we're gonna go, I think.
Shall we? Sure. Hey, look. Shiva's axe. Matches the symbol in the tower. Shiva. He was the god of destruction, right? Yes, but maybe not in the way you're thinking.
I didn't press triangle. What the heck?
This should do the trick.
Come on. The rope just went through the column.
There.
Really? That's interesting. Wow, you can't go through the rope. That's nice.
Okay. Going. Let's get inside. What do you suppose this place was? Hard to say. A fortress? Not the right layout for a temple. In we go. Ah. Salah versus the tiger. Doesn't seem like a fair fight. Salah won, actually. He was protecting his guru and killed the animal in one blow. It's where the name Hoi Salah comes from. Hoi, meaning strike, in their language. Interesting. Let's keep moving. Right.
I even enjoy the conversations that they have. It's a nice... It's refreshing. Right, so... I jump. Can I make the jump? Huh. Yes. No, I didn't make the jump.
You alright, Fraser? Yep, fine. Come on down. Right. Now what?
Now where am I? I'm here?
They've left their climbing gear.
They should come in handy.
Correction. Our climbing gear. Oh, God, a bit hard on the wrists.
I think I hear voices up here.
Of course, there's not a full appeal. I'm smaller than most men.
Thought we were talking about Sophie.
We are. Shit. Saw something. Okay.
I don't want to lose them. I want to get rid of them.
Just missed us.
This way, this way. Come on.
Got another one. I have found
Jump, jump, jump.
Come on.
Right then.
Looks like we're good.
Is he coming this way? No. Oh, he's jumping. Okay. 1, 2. I love stealth killing, huh? One, 2. Is that all of them? All clear. There we go.
Clear. Yep.
And I know the way.
Oh my. What the hell is this? We'll find out soon enough. Okay, let's see what this does. That statue moved. Well, let's see how this goes. Well, I'll be going to hell. That's elaborate. Oh shit. Statue moved again.
Whoa!
Oh, turns out getting walloped by an axe hurts a little. Would you like to give it a shot? I'm good, thanks.
Whoa! Bugger! Bugger! Alright, 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 alright. This puzzle is genius, I love it.
That was close.
Haha! Yeah, baby!
All right. I think that did it. Come on over. Coming.
That was awesome. Take a picture. Now what?
Oh, for goodness sake. 3 statues with 2 different symbols now. A star and rings. They're all Hoysala sun symbols, but I like your descriptions better.
Alright, let's go. 1, 2.
Near miss there. Okay, so far so good.
Alright.
Nearly there. Right, got it. Come on over. Copy that.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing, Chair, actually. Yeah, I was thinking the exact same thing. Oh, man.
Figured we had one more to go. How did you know that? Everything always comes in 3s.
It we go. So 1, 2. Alright.
Close shave!
This guy is gonna...
Making progress?
Stay safe.
That would have hurt!
Oh!
Son of a bitch.
Alright. Alrighty then. There must be some way to understand the pattern really, but I mean to understand the symbols and stuff, but I'm not even bothered. I'm just enjoying watching their patterns really. Look at, like for example, the ones with these guys are just turning around each time I jump. They're just making a 90-degree turn. Look at them. Look. 90 degree. Now he's gonna attack the left hand side. So I'm not gonna jump there. Look. You see, 90 degrees every single time. So now he's gonna attack the one I'm standing on. So I'm just gonna go this way.
Oh, felt that one whiz by.
And these guys over here. Okay, he's going to attack. I can stand here.
Okay, what next?
This guy's gonna swipe the moment I. This guy's gonna attack over here. This guy, I think he's gonna swipe that way though. I don't think he's gonna swipe my way. This guy is definitely gonna swipe this area. 1, 2, 3. So I'm not gonna jump there. I'm just gonna jump back. Question is, should I jump? Yeah, I'm gonna jump back here. You see, he's swiped. Make a swipe. Now if I jump here, what he's gonna do is he's gonna hit me again. And even this guy. See? Yeah, that's exactly what I did last time. It's true. I did the same thing over and over again. No worries, no worries. I like to learn. I don't mind, as long as I don't die.
Not close enough.
He's gonna swipe, so I'm just gonna hang here.
Okay. Am I okay? I'm okay.
But okay, you know what? Oh man, I'm gonna die. I'm not really dying from this, but that's fine. Come on, one more. What if I do this? And back here again. And back here again. Then I'm gonna die. Actually, no. think I got another step. I think I got another step. Ah, she's gonna give me a hint, I think.
Keep an eye on the statues.
Keep an eye on the statues as well. I think it's gonna make things more complicated, though. I'd rather get used to the pattern.
That was close. Too bad.
Okay, so this is where I died. Yeah, over here. Which one hit me though? Ah, that guy over there. So maybe I jump here?
Near miss there.
Haha! Hey, Philly! Just waking up. Welcome to the party. Ah, fresh air.
Fresh air. Finally.
Well, looky here. What are you willing to bet?
Told you it's some kind of key.
Gold star for you. Now let's see what it does.
What is it? Ancient Hoysala jigsaw puzzle?
Aha! Yeah, I know what needs to be done already. Okay, so, and then I need to turn.
Of course. I'm making an axe.
Alright, let's start something else. Doesn't look like it though. Kinda does though. Let's try it. Ah, okay.
Nice to see you, Shiva.
Now what?
Now I guess we turn this crank and see what happens next.
Think it's safe?
You know that treasure hunting is not a good gig for the risk of us, right?
Neither is being a mercenary. Difference is when I pull the pin on grenade, I know it's going to happen next.
My way's much more fun.
See, she just admitted she's a mercenary. See?
Did you hear that?
You feel that? Tracer, look at that.
Holy hell. There's a massive relief carved into the side of that mountain. And you were worried we were going to turn that crank and die.
Guess it's good I've got an archaeologist's daughter with me. It must have been fun growing up, eh?
It had its moments. I learnt a lot. Hoysala Empire was kind of his thing. Took up a lot of his time, though. Me, if I go digging for treasure, I better make a buck or two.
Oh, sure. I don't take big risks without a good payday.
I imagine so. Like running an army, huh? That's a big responsibility.
Second nature. It's my father's company. He retired, I took over.
Family business.
Made a real mess of it. What, you should know? Heard you and those Drake brothers are close.
Yeah,
The Drake brothers are gonna come up eventually in conversation. That's what I was thinking.
So, where to next?
There's the fort marked with a bow in the lake bed. And that fort sporting the trident above the waterfalls.
Suppose I should have asked about the Drakes before I took the job.
Not much to tell. I know Nate pretty well. Sam less so. He seemed to just appear out of thin air. Let's head back to the car.
They stopped talking about Drake now because I need to look for the car. I interrupted the conversation.
Gotta love a shortcut.
Glad we don't have to go back the way we came.
I would have made you dodge the axes.
Lake bed and waterfalls.
It does look great, Philly. I just can't get over
Alrighty, let's roll.
how good Naughty Dog are with making games. You know what their next game is gonna be, right?
Hey, just so you know, Nathan Drake is no longer in the picture. You don't have to worry about him.
I had my concerns.
Why do you accept my offer?
I'm not one to look a gift horse in the mouth. Especially with everyone wanting to see me fall.
I hear that. But on the plus side...
Oh, there's a plus side?
Oh, when people have low expectations, it's much easier to take them by surprise. As far as I'm concerned, this business is tough enough on your own. You have to take any advantage you can.
Wait, easy. Asolv's men have that sight.
Whoa.
Hey! That 4x4!
Oh, come on, man!
Oh, God!
Alright. Alright. Because I got distracted with the conversation. Oh, okay.
Hey!
Don't hate me!
They've spotted us!
We're in trouble now! He ran over and found them!
Bloody idiot.
I need to take the laser guy up there. Take him out! Take him out!
Take them down! No way out of this!
Oh, nice jump, Chloe.
Bad for interfering!
Beaten by a girl.
I saw them going that way! Tell me what you find!
Yeah, they are gorgeous. The graphics are just fantastic.
Not good.
He can't see me. Peekaboo! Chloe Freezer. Now that guy up there, I want to take him on by stealth as well. I love stealth. And speaking of taking people down with stealth, I wanna play Batman again. Batman Arkham Asylum. It's been ages. I'll get a good vantage point from up here. There we go. I don't need the sniper though.
All clear.
Let's see what we've got here.
So then, so we took out the first one. We have to keep heading south now. Chloe Frieza.
Why do you accept my offer? I'm not one to look a gift horse in the mouth. Especially with everyone wanting to see me fall.
I hear that. But on the plus side...
Oh, there's a plus side?
Oh, when people have low expectations, it's much easier to take them by surprise. As far as I'm concerned, this business is tough enough on your own. You have to take any advantage you can.
You always worked alone?
Mostly.
How old were you when you started?
Young. Learned quickly enough I needed to let people think they were getting their way, and then I could get the upper hand.
Too subtle for me. I always preferred the direct approach.
Yeah, whatever works, I say.
I'm just gonna keep going straight now. That must be it over there. Ah, can never go in a straight line. Must be it, right? Yep. Maybe we need to drive up. See if I can go over the bridge.
Fraser, we might have company ahead.
Is this it? Yeah, must be it.
Once more, with gusto. Here we go.
Hey, I'll take care of this one.
Okay.
She said she's gonna take care of it. Come on.
I know how to drive.
Can we go into the car?
In reverse.
You're welcome.
No, because there's a ledge. Alright, let's go.
Now where do we go?
Up. We go up.
Wish I'd brought my gloves.
Nice to be out of that shithole finally.
I was starting to think the boss was all talk.
I'd watch your mouth.
Sorry.
Fraser!
You should not have done that!
That's it. We're clear.
Probably alerted the others.
Can't be helped. Come on.
Selfie time. Can I make this jump?
On the mountain! Here come the others!
You boys really don't want me shooting from down here.
Alright, that's it. Oh, come on, really? I was shooting!
There, on the mountain!
Here come the others.
There we go. Bye, have a great time. Surprise. That's what happens.
Okay. We're all clear.
Won't be the last of them. There was a big truck parked out front.
We'll keep our eyes open.
We'd better. We'd walk right off a cliff.
You do have a sense of humor.
Would have preferred a head start over Assault.
Not much we can do. Besides, doesn't matter who starts, only who finishes.
Fair point. Think Assault's men know what they're
Ah,
looking
beautiful bird. Take a picture.
Not from what I can tell.
They flew away.
Good.
I don't even know how to
for. Hope we
take a
have one
picture.
advantage at least.
Photo mode, really? Really? What's the photo mode? It's, oh. L3 and R3. Isn't these two? I need to turn it on. Ah, okay. That's a nice thing, though. Let's take a picture because... Make a nice wallpaper. I hope the L3 goes away, though.
See that?
There you go. Hide UI, of course. And then what? Ah, okay. Wow. This is awesome. Grr. This is awesome. Oh, wow, this is awesome. But how do you actually take the picture, though? No, no. I have no idea. Probably like this then. There we go, something like that. Alright, that's enough.
Looks like another faucet.
Let's find a way up. Follow me. Nadine, more friends up ahead.
They don't know we're here. Good. Hey, to your right.
Why instead north? Oh, it said something. Oh, was it north?
How are you so relaxed? Didn't you hear those gunshots?
I did. You worry too much. Our brothers are trained by Asab himself.
There's one guy over here.
I'm keeping my safety off, just in case.
Mine was never on.
He's not gonna move. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I will do that next year, definitely. Give me a sec. I'm gonna take care of these guys first, and then I'll take care of the rest. Alright, I'm gonna take care of this.
Hey, saw something.
Ah, shit. They've made us.
Alright, here we go.
We've got this. Get out of there!
You cannot win! Open your eyes! You'll be sorry for that.
What is this? Hi, V4. This is Uncharted. No, it's PC. It's not PC, it's PC. No, it's PS4. Alright, I'm gonna try again.
Watch your left.
That's one. Bye, have a great time. Oh, it's just her. Okay.
What the? Movement. Over there.
Ah, shit. They've made
Okay,
us.
we got spotted. Alright, no problem. I can't get it. Whoa, 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 who's aiming with the... No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay. Shotgun? Who has a shotgun? Whoa!
Fire!
Oh, great.
I'll move around them.
Alright. We're good. Whew. Looks like some raiders. No, this is Uncharted. Come on. You never heard of Uncharted? Come on, get up there! Get up there! Come on! No! Alright, time to get him. No! No! I have a great time.
Alright. Are we clear?
This is the first time that Uncharted had two
Good.
female protagonists.
Good to be
Usually
clear.
it's Nathan.
Let's press on. Just what I was gonna
Nathan
say.
Drake. Alright, so that's the last one. Now, where do we go from here?
Our spigot is right on the other side of this gate. We need to get this gate open. I'll head back to the crank.
Wait, what? What crank? Ah, okay. Yeah, I saw this earlier, but I ignored it.
Here we go. Perfect. That should do it. shit! Well, you made it across
Oh,
the beach.
come on! Come on! Well, I saw it falling apart, but I tried to make a run for it. I wasn't supposed to. Okay, let's try again. No, no. It was gonna fall off. Alright, so, I don't think I can go up here, no. Whoopsie.
Beg your pardon?
Fine. Just don't get started without me.
Sure. Wouldn't dream of it.
I don't know why, but I have a feeling they're gonna double cross each other at one point, these two.
Okay, guess this isn't the way in.
Alright. Jump.
There you are. Having fun?
Just like the monkey bars in primary school.
I'd say this looks safer than the playground at my school.
Come on, get up there.
Nearly there.
Whew.
Made it.
I'm impressed.
You're impressed. I'm tired. Let's get this done.
There we go. Put the key in.
All right. I'm guessing it'll be a bow this time.
Good guess.
So I'm guessing this goes here. No, doesn't look like it. Yeah, that's more like it. And then this... something like... Alright.
Oh, this one's a bit trickier. Look at that.
Barashirama. Right. Let's turn the water on.
Whoa, whoa. What's to say it's not different this time? What if it's fire or something?
You're messing with me.
I'm totally messing with you.
Here we go.
I'm a little disappointed it wasn't fire.
Another waterfall.
Yeah. It's 2 out of 3 now.
Ursula went to an absurd amount of trouble to hide the tusk.
Well, the tusk was the symbol of Hoysala dominance, representing their wealth and their might.
A nice trophy for the Persians.
Yeah. My dad always thought that the tusk was something even greater, though.
Your dad was after the tusk? Oh, my dad was obsessed.
I can actually take pictures while... Oh, this is interesting. I'm gonna try something real quick. Alright, I'm gonna keep this in mind. Duck face. It's so awesome. I like the pucker one. I like this one. Oh man, this is so awesome. Hide UI. I just found a new wallpaper. Oh man. You know what? This would make a great thumbnail actually. I'm just gonna remove this real quick. And let me just get the UI again. I like this as well. Oh man. But I like this one too. I'm gonna take a picture of this one. It's so awesome. Alright, that's enough. We're watching a cutscene. I got distracted.
Obsessed with it. He spent every day and night researching it. All our money wasted on fruitless expeditions.
Heard that one before. So what came of it?
I don't know. Well, he sent me and my mum away. He said it was no longer safe. And off to Australia we went. And now here I stand on the outskirts of Hullabaloo. That's pretty funny. And the last fort's nestled above the falls. The one with the trident.
At least your accent makes sense now. Yeah. Fraser's not exactly an Indian surname either.
It was my mum's.
Let's find a way to get back down to the car.
Sounds good.
Let's go. One more to go. Oh, come on.
No, no, no!
I wonder if you can do both expressions. Yeah, I wonder. I will see. Let's get to the car and I'll check. Okay, so she jumped.
Ah, this is open now.
Ah, it's true.
Just the one by the falls left.
Sounds like a plan.
Let's see. Photo mode. No, this is not what I'm looking for now. Saturation, motion blur. Oh, wow. If I knew that, I would have done that earlier. I'm so stupid. Ah, you can choose. Wow. Alright. Wait. Where did she go? Let's try again. Oh, she disappears? Where'd you go? Oh, come on, man. Ah, there we go. Oh man. But I can't now. She vloggy. She vloggy. She vloggy is Danica. Alright, so that's it. I'm just gonna... You can't make both faces apparently. So let's go. One more to go.
Makes more sense why Asov's after the tusk now. Figured he just wanted the money, like us.
He'll use it to rally people to his cause, wave it in the government's face. Just like all the other times.
This has happened before?
Oh yeah. Ever since the young king lost to the Persians. Everyone's wanted to lay claim to it.
Probably go
to
from
this
underneath
land.
the bridge.
And here I thought we were just going on a treasure hunt.
We are. Let men like Asav fight over it. It's none of our concern.
Fighting wars was my concern for a time.
Good point. But you did it for the cash.
I just keep going straight. Let me just
Usually.
double check on the map once again.
What about when you
yes,
worked for Asav?
the trident is over there.
Definitely a cash grab. Hardly worth the trouble.
Ouch. Why do it then?
Needed to establish my rep, eh? Figured I'd start with the worst of the bunch.
Nowhere to go but up after that.
Beautiful out here.
Is this your first visit to India?
So what
Yeah.
did you get? What did you order
Not
online?
a lot of perks in this line of
wanna
work,
know.
but travel is definitely one
I
of them.
wanna know.
Where have you been?
Alright.
Where haven't I been?
Whichever question works for you.
Like this.
Well, I haven't been to the States.
Yes.
Really? Yeah, well, the stuff I'm looking for is usually old, right? The US was only founded a couple of 100 years ago.
True.
What about you? Where do you want to go?
Iceland.
Nice choice. Beautiful there.
Well, it's quiet. Unspoiled. And I want to see those northern lights.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's on the bucket list too. You should go when we're done here.
Someday. Have other things to attend to first.
Are they seriously making plans to go visit the Aurora? That's not nice. Not without me. Come on. Am I close? Yeah, I'm very close.
I'm just gonna take a look around.
Yeah, I'll keep an eye out.
I don't think I can go through here. To see the aurora, it has to be very, very, very planned out, huh? So how do I get up there? Whoa. Not so sure which way. Danka, did you see the vlogs I did? The vlog I did with the GoPro on my channel, did you see that? It seems like I can go up there to get to there, I think. We'll see. Let's go. This is just actually one vlog though. I had a lot of footage, but I wanted to shrink it to just one video because it gets too much then. How do I get up there? Maybe from up here? Oh really? Come on, game. Are we close? Well, I think I'm right in front of it. No, I'm not. Whoa! Alright. I don't know how to get up there. No. I'm far away now.
Watch out! The rebels might be here already. Check it out. It's Ganesh's trident. Spotted this on the tower too. Ganesh, remover of obstacles.
Is the gate secure?
Enemies.
Got your back.
Waiting on
Let's
Cobra
just
8.
keep this quiet as long as we can.
Press and hold L2 to, and then press X to mark enemies. Press and hold L2. Come this way. Come this way. Come on. man.
Got one down over here.
Up there.
Look around, people.
Search every inch of this place.
Look, down there.
Come on, get down.
Do you have anything?
Get down in the grass.
Clear. Okay, you go that way. I'll look this way.
Got it.
Go to your left.
I'm gonna go get that guy over there. He's on his own. Oh yeah.
And that's that.
Oh, you know what, man?
Nice shotgun.
This game is so awesome. Oh, there we go. Another one. Booyah! Alright, come on. There's a few more over there. Okay. Oh my goodness, so many. What? There we go, spotted. That's it. That's it. Our cover is broke. We're busted. Cover is gone.
Get them from the side.
You know what? I'm gonna get another vantage point from up here.
You got lucky.
Oh God!
No! Ah, I was so close. Alright. While in stealth, hold L2. And L3 to mark enemies. What do you mean L3? Okay.
All right. Where are you?
That's it. Got busted.
I'm coming in.
Get me.
Get down! Cannot win! Move around the side! Moving now!
You are in trouble now!
You're done. You must enjoy that.
Look at Nadine's aim. It's horrible. Come on, Nadine. You're a mercenary. Alright, you know what?
You look better on the ground. Think that's a lot of them. You all right?
Fine. Just thinking of all the ways that could have gone better.
Okay, that's not it. No, this. What's the trick here?
What? Look like a button.
Yeah, I just wanted you to have a go at something. What's this? That's a good sound.
One of the spokes on the wheel just turned around.
Huh. The locks are retracting when I turn the wheels.
So then there's probably 5 in total.
4 to go then. And how about you? That's 2. Found you. Only one left.
Let me just get a higher ground. Maybe I can see it better from up high. There we go.
Last but not least. That should do it.
Okay. Back to the big wheel thing.
Big wheel thing?
Whatever the archaeological term for it is.
Big wheel thing works. Hey!
You did it.
Got damn right I did. Oh, come on.
Looks like we're going under.
Rightio.
There's our faucet.
One trident coming up. Oh, what the hell? That's not fair.
Both the middle and inside pieces seem to move the outside ring.
I'm so good at this.
It's Ganesh.
Hello, sir.
Come on, let's get this over and done with.
Yep.
Whoa! Shit! See? I told you it was dangerous. You hurt.
Just my dignity.
Here we go.
There be water. And now that's 3. You know, you're pretty good at this whole treasure hunting thing.
I'm a quick study.
One question, though. I reckon that you could pretty much do anything you want. Why are you so keen to get Shoreline back?
Seriously? My partner turns my own men against me. My lieutenant makes off with the bounty. Nathan and Samuel Drake get off scot-free, and you're asking why I want Shoreline back.
Yeah.
It was on my watch. I lost it on my watch. All right, what the hell is that thing you keep playing with?
It's my stress toy. It showed up in the mail a few weeks after we got to Australia. All right, we better get a move on. We don't want Asab to get ahead of us. You know, I've had my fair share of screw-ups. You just pick yourself up and move on.
I don't like to fail.
No one does, love.
when a game
Last
looks
one back
so
to the car
good,
buys dinner.
you can't tell
Brought him already.
whether it's a cutscene
No
or
fun.
not. You can't tell the difference, like the transition between a cutscene and the gameplay. It's so good.
Figures.
We shall see. Hello! Brothers, where are you? Do a sweep. Ross and Fraser might still be here.
Come on, show yourself!
I think that was something.
Nothing.
I'm gonna see if I can get away from them without having to engage in battle. Perhaps I can sneak past them and run away. I don't think they're gonna leave me any choice though.
What the?
Settle down! Get your hands off!
Come on, come on, come on, come on, get up, get up. Come on, you got this. See? Where is she?
All right.
Yep.
We're clear.
For real this time.
You handled yourself fine. All things considered.
What things are those?
No real combat training.
Ah.
Slightly impulsive. Run around the field like a maniac. Need to learn what short controlled burst means.
Alright.
And last, wearing red in a jungle combat scenario. I mean, seriously. Hey, if you want to look anywhere else out there, now's the time to do it.
Right. Look, for what it's worth, it's your kick-ass reputation. Got you this job. Plus, I figured you could use the money.
You're not wrong.
Honestly, though, it's actually nice working with a woman for a change.
Too right. Not many of us out here. This one arms dealer demanded to speak to the man in charge, then tried backing out when I informed him I was running the show.
What did you do?
Broke both his legs.
You're not kidding.
Just trying to level the playing field.
Oh, don't cross Ross.
I should put that one on my business card.
Can't you just walk away? Just be done with Shoreline?
I was
Trying to
born
figure out
into
where I
it.
need to go next. I have no
I don't
idea
have
now.
a choice.
Oh, there's always a choice.
Trying to think. Yeah, I'm guessing where where's the like little circled in red, probably. So let's just keep going. Do you think there ran over any fishes? They did. They did. I could hear them scream. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. We started a new chapter and I'm gonna call it though. I need to get some rest before my night shift tonight. Probably eat something as well before. What? What? Whoa! Whoa! I can't believe I almost did that. Can I? No, it won't let me. Good one, game. No, heading outside the map. Alright, straight line. Straight line. Keep going in a straight line. As much as I possibly can. Yeah, straight line. Wait a sec, what is this?
I'm just gonna take a look around.
Do what you have to do.
This looks so weird. Whoops. Oh, I had in mind.
Thank you for your indulgence.
There we are.
Here we go. Come on, I need a second set of eyes.
Right behind you. Magnificent. How long do you suppose it takes to carve something like this?
Years. Decades, even. The Hoysala certainly did have a knack for stonework.
And a war, it seems.
That too. They must have made these to commemorate their victories against the Persians.
Looks like they put up a good fight.
They did. Pity it didn't last. But their loss is our gain, right?
That carving looks familiar.
That carving is an exact match for the disc.
So what does that mean?
I don't know yet. But I'm guessing we should give that a try.
Let's go. Come on. Come on, girl. This way.
Shall we dance?
Try not to break it this time.
Sassy.
What the hell?
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Can't say I was expecting that. You ready?
Yeah. Just, taking it all in. Welcome to downtown Halabadu. The last known resting place, the Tusk of Ganesh.
Spectacular. What?
Doesn't it look like there's a dam or something between the two Ganesh statues?
Must have been eroded by the falls.
So how do we get in?
Hang on. Yeah. Look at the crown. It's not wear and tear.
You're right. Maybe it was a watchtower?
Bet that's how the Persians got in.
I have heard about this place for so long. I can't believe I'm actually looking at it.
You should take a picture. Send it to your dad.
Great idea.
What? You one of those cultures who can't work a computer? Just take the picture. Show it to him in person then.
No, it's just a few decades too late for that.
Look, I'm...
Oh, God, please, no. It's fine. Shall we, head over to Halibadu?
Come
on. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna have to end the stream here. I would love to keep playing, but the plan was to stream 3.5 hours tops. But I need to get something to eat and get some rest before my shift tonight. I'll continue this tomorrow for sure, same time. So I would like to thank you for coming by and say hello and keeping me company. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.